The Hornbill Festival of Nagaland, India is popularly known as the Festival of Festivals. This was named after the state bird hornbill, which is a symbol of folklore among all the Naga tribes, to promote inter-tribe understanding and to revive Naga heritage and traditions. This was first celebrated in the year 2000, and since then the festival is conducted every year from 1st to 10th December. This video is prepared by my husband Sri K. Rammohan. He is a retired lecturer in chemistry by profession. Touring is his hobby. His articles are regularly published in Telugu newspapers like Eenadu and Andhra Jyoti. Sunday magazines of both the papers published his articles on Hornbill Festival. We had an opportunity to visit northeastern states on the invitation of our friend Sri P.V. S.L.N. Murthy, Chief General Manager of State Bank of India in the year 2017. He made excellent arrangements for the stay as well as touring. As you can see in the photos, we, a total of 4 families, were a part of this tour. We commenced our tour starting with Guwahati, Meghalaya, Kaziranga National Park, Manipur, etc. Then we proceeded to Kohima, the capital of Nagaland, from Manipur's capital Imphal by road. The distance between Imphal and Kohima is just about 136 kilometers only, but it took 5 hours to reach Kohima. We felt bad to know that the terrorists, local people, apart from the corrupt officials, are the main reason for the pathetic condition of the roads. The roads were badly damaged at several places and caused great inconvenience. It is learnt that the road journey is not safe in that region, but we could travel safely with the Z category security as we are accompanied by the CGM SBI Sri Murthy. Christian population is very high in Nagaland. We felt that Christmas Eve atmosphere was everywhere around, even by the end of November. Thick forests, high mountains and nice environment welcomed us. A special mention must be made for head hunting, a historical event of Nagaland. It was a valorous custom. It is said that frequent fights among various tribes in Nagaland was a common sight. An old belief among the tribes of the land was that a warrior was considered to be brave only if he beheads his rival. They used to hang the heads of the rivals in different ways to show their valor. The practice of head hunting is banned a century ago, but it became a part and parcel of folk dances, dramas and motifs, a series of pictures printed on textiles. You can come across here a variety of very rarely seen flowers of India, such as orchids and rhododendrons, which are a feast to the eyes. Now, coming back to the festival, this great event is being conducted every year in a village called Kisama on a hilltop, which is 12 kilometers away from Kohima. Not only the tourists of India, but also many foreign tourists from different countries gather here to watch this colorful festival. Participants representing 16 different tribes of this land in their respective traditional attire gathered at the entrance with their weapons to welcome the guests. The welcoming gesture was in the form of some peculiar sounds made vocally or through specially made horns. There was a gallery around the stadium big enough for thousands of visitors to sit and watch comfortably. The gallery of guests was decorated with beautiful flowers. Programs were displayed on the centrally located dais. Different types of Naga tribal dances were performed also on the ground before the dais. Hornbill species is almost at the stage of extinction as it was cruelly hunted by the tribal folk in the past. Now that the people of Nagaland and the government realize the importance of Hornbill, a folk dance of cruel hunting of Hornbill was performed. It was an absorbing show with a young chap in the role of Hornbill as well as other cruel hunting folks. The dance program that depicts the rivalry and fights among the 16 tribes and the loss of lives moved the audience to tears. Competitions like climbing 20 feet high greased bamboo poles and eating very spicy hot king chilies were witnessed by us. After that, we visited 16 tribal camps arranged to understand particular lifestyles of ancient tribes. Each tribe had a unique style of housing. Those models were displayed in the camp. Naga people are very fond of dog meat. Many people made an attempt to eat various dishes made of dog meat. The rice beer called jutto is very popular locally. Their vegetarian dishes, as you can see in the photos, are also available. The foods made out of bamboo shoot are very delicious. The weapons, utensils, and decorative articles which were used in the past were also exhibited in the tents. Smoked meat was also displayed here. In the olden days, hunting was the major occupation of Nagas for their survival. But due to extensive rains, they had to avoid hunting frequently. So they used to smoke the meat to preserve it for a long period. For this purpose, the smoking is done from a week to a month. Witnessing Hornbill Festival is a little expensive and laborious too, but one cannot afford to miss such a colorful event and the display of wonderful heritage, which gives a vivid description of our age-old tribes of this part of India. Thank you friends. Please share this video if you like it. Also please subscribe and press the bell button for notifications. We will be with you shortly with another tourist video.